So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Farande Variwana Ambewadi, which is located near Ursegaon, Ambewadi, Pune and developed by Farande Spaces. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. विद द हेल्प ऑफ 3D मॉडल, Farande Variwana will be constructed on 247 acres of land parcel consisting of 910 luxurious villas having ground plus 1 floor with 3 BHK and 4 BHK luxurious villas. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की. आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और सेल्स ऑफिस ही के साथ में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर आंधे एंड उर्सेगांव, अम्बेवाड़ी, पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो आपको कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे विद इन 400 मीटर्स, उर्से तालेगांव रोड विद इन 2.5 किलोमीटर, Phoenix Meccano India Private within 3.5 km. Coming to the amenities part of the project has 50 plus luxurious amenities like kids play area, clubhouse, swimming pool, open lawn, jungle gym, golf course and many more. And now moving forwards towards the carpet area of the project with the help of 3D model. Farande Variwana Ambewadi has 3 BHK and 4 BHK luxurious villas, and 3 BHK is starting from 1647 to 1736 square feet and 4 BHK is starting from 2500 to 2334 square feet carpet area. And now let's talk about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schedules and will show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Farande Variwana Ambewadi, which is located near Ursegaon, Ambewadi, Pune and developed by Farande Spaces. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.